Hello, my name is Chris Kovach. I am the Regional Sales Consultant in Northeastern Florida, and today what I'd like to show you how to do is to program one of the application buttons within the dashboard of Compass to redirect you to www.aol.com as requested by one of my customers. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to navigate to the page set that the customer is working on. You would be doing this on the device. I am doing it on my computer for the purpose of this meeting. But what you would need to do is once you're on your main homepage, you can click on the dashboard. Then you want to click on the application. And from here we can see our different applications that are kind of already pre-programmed into the device for us. What we want to do is change this email application to go to www.aol.com per my customer's request. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the three bars in the corner. That's going to take us into modification mode. Once we're in modification mode, we can select that email button. Once we select the email button, we'll see we have our typical options just like we do when we're programming any other button within the device. What we want to change is the action associated with this button. So right now you'll see as I highlight this, it's an open application email. What we're going to do is we're going to click that action box, and it's going to bring us into our script editor. And we'll again see the action of open application email. And since it's highlighted in yellow now, and we're not going to use that action, we can simply delete it by hitting the red trash can icon. Now what we're going to do is add the appropriate action to allow us to open up to a web page. So in the search bar, we're going to type the word open. We're going to hit done to allow it to run the search, and you'll see it pops up any action in the system that begins with or contains the word open. What we're going to do now is scroll down until we find an application that's called Open Application Web. And you'll see right here, Open Application Web, and then in parentheses, URL string. So we're going to select that, and you'll see it adds Open Application Web to our script editor, and the URL str is in orange, meaning that it's currently not a functional link. What we need to do is click in the white box below so that we can enter our URL. And here, we cannot just type in www.aol.com. We need to begin and end each web address by entering in quotations. So what we can do is enter quotation www.aol.com and then end it with another quotation. We can select done and then the green checkbox, and you'll see that the www.aol.com is now highlighted in green, meaning that it's reading it properly. Since we're done with that, we can select the green checkbox in the corner. And since we're done making modifications to this page, again, we can hit the green checkbox to save. And now when we open our email application, it will take us to, I apologize, it popped up on my other screen. It will take us to AOL.com. Now on the actual device, it may prompt you to say, or to ask you if you want to use the on-screen or on-device browser, the blue globe, or possibly Google Chrome. And you can choose to do that just once or always, so it will remember which application you would like to open. Once you select that, it will open up the same AOL page, and you can then select to either navigate through AOL as a website or go right to the AOL mail icon. When you do that, you can put in your email and password, select Remember Me, and sign in. I do not have an AOL account, so I cannot do that right now, but it would be the same function for Gmail or any other free web service that most of us use on a daily basis. AOL may also prompt you to try and download their application. You may do so if you like, but this is a simple way just to get to the website and get logged in. If you have any other questions, please feel free to email me or call me at chris.kovach@tobydynavox.com or call me at 904-229-7995. Thanks. Have a great day.